hear that motor? That's the blower motor. It's got to come out. It's an easy fix. Don't run off to the dealership for stuff like this. We're gonna go down to, we could get it at the dealership for about 160, 170. We're gonna go down to AutoZone, pick one up for about $100. Okay, so we're on the passenger side and we're gonna go underneath and I'm gonna show you these tabs. These little, actually little clips. We gotta go in here with the screwdriver and push back. So you see how that tab is like that? You're gonna come up underneath here, push up, and then push in and then pull it out and get that out. You got to do the same thing. So this one too. So we got the second one, and then we got the third. There we go. Now you got these little tabs in the back. When you pull it out, I'll show it to you. And it just had these two others in the back. So it was like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it got these like prongs that you pull out. And I'll show you what that looks like underneath there. They are right there. Okay, they go on right there. I pushed this in and I kind of pulled on this bigger one and it popped it out. I need to tape that up because it almost pinched that off, that wire. Okay. And I don't think we need to take the other one off. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna leave that one there. Take these bolts off, these three. 1, 2, 3. We'll go up underneath again. We'll take these 3 8mm screws off. That's what they look like. And it falls out. Hopefully nothing's really attached to it. I can wiggle it out. Yeah, there we go. It just fell out. So we'll take this one out of the box. Smooth. See that? That's the difference. They look the same. Got it up in there. We'll reconnect these wires in a minute. So I need to pull out the wire, connect these somehow, and then tuck. Connect those. We'll tuck them. And then this wire out from behind there. That wire is going to keep me from and let's look at this again. So it's got the 2 prongs on the end, and it's got the 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. It's got this other little push prong, whatever you want to call it. And those go in like that, so they just go in and clip. So let's do it. So we'll take these 2 ends, push them back in place. We're going to push that back into there. We'll push them all back into place. That's it. See if this thing starts to move around a little bit when I drive. Gone. Fixed. No more squeaky wheel sound. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.